The Pixel 8 visited the Wireless Power Consortium, WPC, and wound up on its certification page, despite the fact that the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro aren't anticipated to be released until October. According to My Smart Price, the certification confirms that the Pixel 8 will feature wireless charging, which is not unexpected. The listing suggests that the GKWS6 model number will be assigned to the smaller, less costly of the two flagship versions. Some Pixel fans won't be too happy to see that the Pixel 8 will have 12W wireless charging, the same as what was offered on the Pixel 7. There won't be any changes in that region. Additionally, since the Pixel 8 only supports Qi standard 1.2.4, it lacks the Qi 2 charging standard, which would enable wireless charging with magnets similar to Apple's MagSafe feature. There is no need to be concerned about the Pixel 8 inches graphic that is now shown on WPC's phone listing. It's just a temporary placeholder, and the Pixel 8's genuine renderings show narrower bezels than those seen in the WPC listing. The Pixel 8 is anticipated to have a slightly smaller 6.2-inch OLED display than the Pixel 7's 6.3-inch screen, but with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, according to the most recent speculations. A rear camera bar with a 64MP primary camera, a 48-megapixels telephoto camera, and a 12-megapixels ultra-wide camera will be located on the phone's back. The sides of the device will also be somewhat more rounded. Interestingly, a Pixel 8 case rumor says that the device will feature 3 cameras on the rear, one more than the 2 cameras seen on the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 phones. Expected is a 16-megapixels front-facing camera. Under the hood, a Google Tensor 3 processor with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage should be there. The lights will remain on thanks to a 5000 mAh battery. The most recent reports suggest that the Pixel 8 Pro will have a large 6.7-inch OLED display with a QHD Plus resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Tensor 3 will allegedly power the gadget, and its basic configuration is said to have 256GB of internal storage and 12GB of RAM. According to reports, the phone has a camera bar on the back that houses a 64MP primary camera, a 48-megapixels telephoto camera with a periscope lens, and a 12-megapixels ultra-wide camera. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.